Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode I'm going to introduce you some new feature just announced in JavaScript. It's the set method, which is gonna help us a lot in array mapping method. For this particular example I'm gonna show you now what I want to mean. Here I'm gonna do a const of number array, and here I'm gonna use some duplicate values. Okay, I put some values 8, 9, 0 here, and 5, 5 like this. Okay, let's console log it out. I'm console log it number. Nice. Let's see in our console terminal what I want to mean. Let's run it, node app.js. And here we have our array like this. It's displaying, right? Everything fine. But here now, I'm going to do something very interesting, okay? I'm going to do another constraint with unique numbers, unique values. I'm going to say new set, and here I'm going to put the number variable which I did above, and here I'm going to console log it out my unique values. Okay, save it. Run once again node.js, and as you can see, the duplicates are not displayed anymore because the new set, it's handled for us. It deletes the duplicate values and it display as a unique, as a single one. It is like this, not yet. I'm gonna show you one more. I'm going to show you number. And here we can create a new set. It's going to be empty, totally method. It's a method. And here I'm going to put some number. I'm going to see what is the methods. We have the add. I'm going to put 0. I'm going to copy and paste it a couple times. I'm going to put the 5, 8. I'm going to do some more. 10. Okay. 500. Like this. Let's console log it out our number. Console log it out. Number. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna call my app.js file once again. As you can see now, the set method is handing out to delete the duplicates. What else we can do with that? From number, I can say I want to delete the array which has the value of 5. Okay, I'm deleting the 5 values which we have added inside our array. And here we are running once again. As you can see now, the value 5 from our array of set, it's deleted. So that video was like this. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to support me for my future works. Thanks for watching once again. I want to see you in the next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.